Hello friends, this video on Fun with Magnets Part 6 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Now the question is, we have been talking about magnets, their properties. Now I said that we have two categories of magnet, natural magnets and artificial magnet. So the moment we talk about artificial magnet, we are actually saying that we can create magnets, we can make magnets. Now the question is, can we magnetize an iron bar? So let's say we have a bar which is made up of iron, but it doesn't have the magnetic properties. But can we make it a magnet? Yes, we can. And how do we do that? That's another interesting thing. So let's say that this is an iron bar. Now currently it is not a magnet, that is, it doesn't attract the iron nails or any other magnetic material, but I want it to become a magnet. So what do? So for this I take another bar magnet. So this is a magnet with a distinct north and south pole. What we do is, now there are many ways of magnetizing an object. So one way is, and this happens by touch. So we call this as touch. So it can happen. So one way is single touch. So let us first talk about single touch. So let's say you take another bar magnet and then let's say you take the north pole of this bar magnet. I mean either of the poles. And then you start rubbing it from the center towards one end and you repeat it for multiple times. So what are you doing here? The north pole is being rubbed from center towards this end of the magnet. And you actually did it a lot of times, sometimes few hundreds times you do this. And then what you do is, you take the south pole of the magnet and then you rub it on the other direction a couple of times. So that is called single touch. Single touch means you need a single bar magnet and first you rub the north pole from center to one end, then you rub the south pole from center to the other end, and that's how you magnetize the two ends. So by this rubbing, this end gets magnetized to become north pole and this end becomes magnetized to become south pole, and that's how this iron bar becomes a magnet. So that is the concept of single touch, where you need a single bar magnet to magnetize this iron bar. The next concept could be a double touch. So in double touch, what we do is, instead of taking one bar magnet, we take two bar magnets and we do this process simultaneously. So north pole of one bar magnet is like rubbed towards this end, south pole of the other bar magnet is rubbed towards this end, and these two things happen simultaneously. So this is called a double touch. So these are few different ways by which we can magnetize an iron bar. Now we need to make sure that the magnet which you are using, the bar magnet, it has to be quite a strong magnet. So this is how, so this is interesting, right? And now this gives you an idea that how are we able to create artificial magnets, because we can magnetize iron bars. Thank you. Please visit www.examfear.com to watch more educational videos with a better experience. Please do not forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for latest updates. Thank you once again.